Let's start the clock now.
To turn this data into a table, put your cursor anywhere in the table and hit Control-T.
What's great about a table is that anything that touches it becomes part of it. So if I add a new column right beside it, it instantly becomes part of the table. If I want to add a formula into this, I simply start typing the formula in the first cell. And when I've completed the formula, it automatically copies it down the rest of the table. If I want to add a new row to the bottom, I simply go to the bottom and start adding the data, and it automatically assimilates it into the table. Tables also let you quickly remove duplicates. Simply go to the table design, click Remove Duplicates, and it does it for you.
There are two ways to filter data. One is to hit the drop-down, unselect select all, choose the item you want to filter for, and hit OK. The other way is to find the item that you want to filter for. So I find a 7, and I wonder if there's any more. I can right-click and go to Filter and select the cell value.
You can also filter by a data range by simply hitting the drop-down and going to Number Filters and choosing one. If I'm looking for filtering by greater than 5,000, I simply go greater than 5,000. You can filter dates by a date range by clicking to the date filters and notice next week, last week, or even next quarter. We can apply conditional formatting. Here I want to select this column by clicking on the top of the row, and then I'm going to highlight all the cells that are in the top 10. Once I've done this, I can easily then filter by color. Simply go to the drop-down and I can do Filter by color. Or I can do Sort by color.
All the content in this video is covered in our Excel Intermediate 1 and 2 course. We hope to see you there.